Now it starts. So guys, let's get cracking. Today, I'm going to teach you how to divide integers. And, oh, it's coming. Using number lines. Number lines. Because I've taught you to work with grouping, now I want to show you another method. How to use number lines. A lot of you love number lines because it's easier than drawing little chips. Guys and gals, it's Noah time. I know I should come up with theme music one day. You guys can sing all after I say it. You guys can all sing, and it records it. That'll be my theme song. Okay. Now here is I'm going to start off simple stuff. Okay. 12 divided by 3. Last time I've taught you to do something called, this is ugly, let's erase this. Something called, whoa, no. I want you to draw it out. Draw. Okay? And I want you to draw using grouping chips. But before you start drawing a bunch of circles and a bunch of whatever, what I want you to focus on is this. Look at my signs. My signs are the same. If my signs are the same, Ranbir, what does the second number represent? This is a key. If the signs are the same, what does the number represent? How many? Nope, not how many groups. How many chips in a group? That's the difference. You gotta be careful. This represents how many chips in a group. Okay? You gotta be careful about that. In a group. Okay? So now, guys and gals, I want you to draw this out for me, please. Take a minute and draw this out. I'm going to draw happy faces. Because today is Friday, and I'm happy. If today was Monday, I'll be sad. But I'm happy. So let's draw happy faces. Oh, no, not 3 groups. We will go count 3 chips in each group. Okay, so let's draw happy faces. It's more like sleepy faces. I draw like Cyclops. Here's my Cyclops. Guys and gals, we mentioned our 3 groups. So take a pencil and circle 3 chips in each group. So in total, Manbir, madam, how many groups do I have? Yep. 4 groups. This is the reason why 12 divided by 3 is 4. See, that was fun, but not as interesting as number lines. I'm going to show you how to do number lines. So to do number lines, a few things you need to do is, I'm going to teach you first. I'm going to show you number lines now. Number lines. Now, before I can start number lines with you, I'm going to teach you what a number line looks like on division, and then walk you through it first. So, guys, let's draw a number line. Let's choose black as my number line. Draw your own number line. Let's draw it from 0 to -6. So it's 0 to -6, and you label your own at your own speed. We're not going to rush through this. 0. -1, -2, yep. You have to put a negative sign on. There'll be chances for you to redeem yourself later, don't worry. Okay. Again, for now, I'm just going to go up to -6, 7, 8. A number line for division looks like this. Let's choose a color. Let's go wild. What wild color should I use? Blue. That's pretty wild. Oh, that's pretty sick. All the way up to -6. A division number line has 1 long arrow start off the bat, right off the bat. Okay, 1 huge long arrow. Halfway, anywhere in the division, you're going to have some breakage points. I'm going to put a breakage point right here. That's a breakage point. I'm going to put a breakage point right here. That's a breakage point, okay? Because it breaks up into 3 pieces. So I'm going to ask you, number 1. This is your symbol. This is your diagram. How many groups are there? Okay. Now you don't have to yell this out. Just write and work with the person beside you. Number 2. How many numbers are there in each group? In every question, you're going to answer these 2 first. Okay? And finally, question number 3. Create 2 equations. So when you do your number line, if I give you a number line, this is the sort of thing you're going to answer right now. How many groups are there? Okay. Yep. There we go. Let me make this a bit better, easier for you. There we go. Let's make it a bit bigger. Guys, you guys want to take a minute and do number 1 and 2 for now. And number 3, we'll worry about later. Oh, sorry about that. Guys, I have this peer tutor. This is Fatima. She was a student of mine. Sorry, she will be here to help you out through the whole entire year. So someone say, mr.Ngo, you're scary. You yell at me too much. Fatima is scarier. She'll yell at you twice as much. So if you don't want me to yell at you, Fatima loves yelling at you. We're just kidding. So Fatima is here to help you out. If you need help, she will walk around and help you out. She's really good at math. She hasn't taken all the way to completed Math 12 this year. Okay. So she's as good as a math student as she can get.
So you're taking her to the dinner?
Unfortunately, she wasn't part of my crew. She wanted to go.
Yeah.
So Fatima had another teachers. So
I thought you start with grade 8. You end with grade 12.
Then that's when you go through there. Yeah. You have to be with me grade 12. Okay. So unfortunately, Fatima was not with me, so she missed out on the dinner. Okay.
Wait, but I thought that if I have you in grade 8, I'm gonna have you in grade 12.
No. It's a luck of the draw.
I'll make sure I get to
So guys, for now, I'm gonna move for now. I don't know. For now, just you just do computer or whatever. Okay. We'll get started Monday. I'll get things started for you Monday. Okay.
Our recording can be read.
Oh no, it's still recorded right now.
Huh?
It's still recording.
It is.
So that joke about me yelling at you guys is all recorded. Okay. So guys, number 1. Let's start. I'm still learning names slowly. Alex, sir, how many groups are there?
There's 3 groups.
Good. So now there's 3 groups. The reason why is look at this. 1, 2, 3. See, there's 3 groups. Alex, choose the female student for me, please, sir. Susie, madam. What number or how many numbers go in each group? This is a key one. So I'll give you hints. Let's look at this. 0. Not 2. Look at my hand. -2. That's what I want to really focus on. See, when I look at this, there's a -2. See, watch my hand. Because when I look at this diagram, look, there's -2 pieces. Now, to create this equation, this is how you do this. Start with the highest number you have, which is it only goes up to -6. So you can go -6 divided by 3. That's one answer. Where did it get 3 from? 3 is from your group. Okay. Or I can have another solution. -6 divided by -2. Hey guys and gals. High five your friend. This is how easy it is. Okay. So good question. Where did I get -2 from? Because there's 2. Okay, there are -2 numbers in each group. So to show us the division statement, you can either go from here, Like that's how. Okay. So in order to do number 3, you have to do number 1 and number 2. Number 3 can't be done until you do number 1 and 2. A lot of students get in trouble and they give to Ms. No. I give you this on exam and say, Ms. No, where's number 1 and 2? Number 1 and 2 is something you have to figure out on your own. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a question. Good luck, guys and gals. I'll come around and help you out in a second. But for now, let's start with a number line. What number should I go up to? Did you say 33? Wow, you're mean.
I said 3.
Oh, you said 3. I wouldn't even go up to, I was going to go up to, let's say 12? Trenton, give me a number, a 2-digit, a nice number. Okay, what number do you want to go up to, Trenton?
I'm going to be nice, 10.
10, let's go up to 10. So Trenton's going to be nice to you guys. I was about to go to 100, but -1. But I'm going to do -2. All the way up to -10. -6. Height. Height. Height is Japanese. Figure out what that means in Japanese. Yes. That's how the Japanese say it. Every time they ask them, whenever you go to Japan, and say, just say you go, height. I know.
I know the way.
Asian pride, baby. Asian.
I believe
I'm kidding, guys. Okay, let's get crap. So now, what color should I use? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Should I use purple? Haven't done purple for a while. Okay. So again, this time it goes from 0 to -10. I'm gonna just draw a breakage point. Breakage point is gonna be right here. I'm gonna go straight to number 3. On exams, I will go straight to number 3. Number 1 and 2 doesn't exist. I just use that to help you along. I think you're a big boy and big girl. You don't need to step 1. Create 2 equations for this line. Okay. Now, remember, to do the step 3, there's step 1 and 2, but I didn't write step 1 and 2 yet. You're going to come up with just step 1 and 2. I'm going to walk around. I'm going to see your answer, guys and girls. Good luck. Have fun. Right. That's it. So nothing too bad. So think about what step 1 says. Think about what step 2 says. How many groups do you see out? There, how many groups do you see? That's right. Shika? Up.
Oh, that's okay.
She's right there.
Oh, she's right here. Where's Shika?
Right here.
Oh, Shika's right there.
Is she getting it?
Look at me, guys. Trenton, how many groups do you see?
2.
2 groups. Write that down. 2 groups. I'll get 2 started. So you just use the Torrin, let's start. How many groups do you see, Torrin? How many groups? 2 groups. Excellent. Jen, how many numbers go in each group?
5.
Oh!
-5.
Trenton, what is it?
-5.
-5. Okay. So my first equation. Again, on the side, I like to write this down. Just somewhere inside, 2 groups. And there's -5 in each group. So now, I can come up with an equation. Chris, madam, what's my first equation going to be? Very nice. Divide by 2, very nice. What's my first equation? Cody, what's my second equation, sir? Excellent. Okay. So really, when I give you a number line, all you have to do is create an equation. And you have to do an equation by doing the hidden steps 1 and 2. Okay, very nice. Now, I'm going to ask you to work backwards. Create a number line. Oh, I forgot to change the color back to black, but oh well. So So there's your number line. I'm going to give you this equation now. You're going to turn this into a number line. Negative 10, yep. Divided by, oh, sorry, not negative 10. Negative 10 is too weird. Negative 9 divided by 3. How would this look like on a number line? Good luck, guys and gals. I'm not asking you to create an equation. I'm asking you to draw on a number line. Negative 9 divided by 3. Okay. Manette, how many groups do you have, Manette? 3. Manette said there's 3 groups. Okay. So if you disagree with Manette, talk to her. She said it, not me. If you agree with her, say good job, Manette.
Good job.
Okay. So again, I'm going to go 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. So this says it goes from 0 to negative 9. So I'm going to use a different color. Let's use red. Okay. And right off the bat, I'm going to draw arrows. I'm going to divide this up into 3 portions. That's what it really means. 1, 2, 3. That's all you have to do. It's fine. 3 arrows works too. But I like to do 3 portions. Whatever you're happy with, okay? Guys and gals, I'll give you one more question and do some word problems, and that's purely it for today. Oh, homework I'll collect it after. Give me 1 second. Try this, please. Negative 10 divided by negative 5. Your job is to create a number line. Now, there's a little twist to this. So I want you to highlight this because this is a tricky one. Highlight this negative 5 for a second for me, please. Okay? That's a negative 5. There's going to be a big twist to this question, and I'm going to show you the twist. So I'm going to draw my lines up first straight. And I'm going to go label up to negative 10. 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, negative 10 divided by negative 5. The question now is, I'm really looking forward is, how many groups do you have? That's what I want to focus on. This is a key concept now. Let's use green. Let's go wild and use green. Guys, I'll let you play around with this. I'm going to walk around and see how many can get this correct. This week won't work. Nope. Because if you say this is group can never be negative. That's the reason why. Okay. Whoa. That's a negative. You're leaning it over. Very nice. There's no line there.
There's only one line.
And when we do one line, there's a
Oh, I didn't.
Good. Yes, Alright guys and gals. I'm going to show you what some people did, and then I'll say yes or no. I walked around and I think about 30% of you said, so that's easy. This tells me that this is how many groups. Okay, somebody says this represents groups. But here's one thing you got to write down. I want you to write this down, please. Star. Okay? I'm going to write a few. This is a key concept. Groups can never be negative. Never be negative. So when you say I have -5 groups, you can't have -5 groups. So that -5 doesn't tell me there's 5 groups. So this represents groups. This is going to be error. Okay, so you got to be careful about this. On exam, students make this sometimes. So what does that -5 really represent, Torin? What do you think that represents? If it doesn't represent how many groups, it represents what? Okay, give me a second. I'm still learning. Lashita, what does it represent? Excellent. It represents how many numbers go in each group. Okay? Therefore, this represents, I'm going to write this down. This represents how many numbers go in each group. Because really, you can't have negative group. This is the reason why. Okay? So really, when I draw this out, I should only have one breakage right there. Voila. Okay? Full marks, 10 out of 10. So I would say, hey, that's pretty easy. Now, it's not that bad. Yes, there's a bit trickiness, but once you get all the trickiness out, you're not ready, you're almost ready. Now, some of you made tiny boo-boos on your test, because the first thing I give you the quiz, the first thing I give you the quiz is a lot of you asked mr.Ngo, negative times negative, a positive times, I forgot what it is. I said, I want you to write this down one more time, so I don't have to remind you. On tests, I would love to remind you what the answer is, but I can't. In class, you can ask me anything you want, and I'll answer, but on tests, I can't answer this for you. Signs are the same. Ranbir, copy sign. Okay, signs are the same. That's fine. Just copy sign. If signs are the same, then your answer will always be positive. Now we're going to assume that we're only dividing by 2 numbers. Nothing tricky. Very positive. We did. But I just want to write again because some of you were asking me questions on the test and I couldn't answer it, and this is the reason why. So I'm going to give you 3 questions. You're just going to answer these 3. Follow my guideline. -12 divided by 4. B. -16 divided by -4. And let's go give you a really wild question. 81 divided by -9.
This is our homework?
No. Your homework is after this. Nope, just solve it. No number line, just solve it.
252.
Oh, please. It's not 252.
It is.
Please.
It's 30. 34.
So, in a minute, Manat, I'm going to ask you to answer A. And then have a person in mind. You're going to choose after you answer A. But don't tell them yet. Okay? But don't tell them. So, Manette, what is negative 12 divided by 4?
-3.
Guys, gals, I'm looking for negative 3. I'm looking for the negative sign. Manette, choose one person. Male student. Male student. Alex.
Yes.
Sorry? Oh, you don't have an answer yet? Okay, I'll give you a minute.
Sure.
The second one.
Okay, Ranbir, what do you have? Positive 4?
Because 2 negative equals positive.
Good. And Alex, I want you to answer C, but I'll give you a minute. Okay, take your time. Okay. When you're ready, call me. I'm gonna walk around.
It's negative 9.
Negative 9? Why is it negative, Alex?
Because it's caused by negative.
Excellent. So guys and gals, Alex says negative 9 because you have a negative positive. It's correct. So, your work. Page. And there's a quiz on this on Monday.
Can you use the one day break?
Yeah, okay, sorry. Ranbir says, guys, Ranbir asked for a 1 day break. Ranbir, I don't like the 1 day break. I'm going to give you 2 days break. How about that?
Saturday and Sunday.
My gift to you. You get 2 days break. So, Pajay.
Thank you.
I know. Anyone else need a break? I'll give him more breaks later. 310. Numero. 5 to 13. I want you to try this without a calculator. Your quiz, you will get to keep these textbooks. I will give a sign-up sheet in a second. Quiz on Monday. On this stuff only.
On page
3, 10, 5 to 13. This is the only thing I'll be asking, testing you on. Is that too much to ask? Not really.
No.
Now, guys, gals, you're going to grab one textbook. Make sure it says Math 8. Don't do Math 10 and say, Mr. Ngo, how do you do this? I can't do it. Okay? Make sure it says Math 8 on it. Grab it, please.